This tutorial will guide you through on how to pixelate an image and photo effect in Pixlr completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Step number 1, assuming you have Pixlr, type in Pixlr online on your computer, laptop, or PC device. And under the search engine or browser, click pixlr.com. You have a couple different options to access the Pixlr editor or Pixlr Express. We're going to click Pixlr Express. Open up an image you would like to pixelate in Pixlr completely for free. Once you have your image like so, you want to go to the top left hand screen and scroll down until you see the option filter. In this case, you can scroll down and you have a couple different options to click glitch. As you can see, you can click different settings and this will create a glitch or pixelate your image completely for free. Or you can click effect and scroll down until you see the option artsy. In this case, you have even more pixelated effects. If you click the slider to the right, it's going to add less or it's going to add more. As you can see, you have mosaic, frank, pivot, night vision, and you can click apply on the bottom right hand screen completely for free.